All right, so if you don't own a smart projector or a smart TV, maybe this is the next best thing for yourself. This is a Slingbox. If you guys don't remember the Slingbox, you were able to record a lot of your features from the TiVo. It was like a TiVo pretty much, all right? The Slingbox was able to capable of connecting to your TV, directly connecting to wirelessly over the wire anywhere pretty much. Now, this box itself is self-sufficient. Everything's meaning that all the software is built into the system. To begin with, you're gonna have two USBs here. All right, and then this one right here is a micro SD card if you want to transfer files into the system itself or reprogram it. All right, now they do give you HDMI out, and then the LAN line. All right, and of course they do can add on the RJ45 connection, 3.2 connection to actually AV, which is a yellow cable, and then of course your power in. It's going to be HDMI, and this is a 5-volt connection, and of course they give you the actual remote to set up your system, and then the HDMI and the power brick. So let's go ahead and set it up and see how it works. So we're greeted with Slingbox right now. That's pretty much what they were looking at. And of course, it's going to bring up all the effects and everything. But from here, this is more like a Droid box, so you're capable of handling a lot of the features that a lot of the systems can handle. People purchase this for Kodi and other stuff. Right now, we're not going to show you any of those features. We're just going to show you a couple of the stuff that's included with it right now. And you do have App Store here that you could set up your app, your browser, customer service, VOD, and live TV, and then YouTube. So all right, this box has a lot of features. You can install Google applications in here. So if you're missing Disney or anything like that, you can install this. This is perfect for those systems that do not have any kind of player. Like for example, if you have a regular monitor, you could turn it into a TV with this actual Slim box. Great features about it. Everything's included in the actual system, including the control itself. Now, this could make any dumb monitor or TV into a smart one by installing this. Now, you could set up your shortcuts in the bottom here. So right now we're going to set up one of the shortcuts. We're going to go into the vlog one. They have a lot of different applications in here that you could download, of course. My TV player, my TV, and so forth. So they have a lot of them in here that you could go for. So we're going to set up this one right here and go back out. And on this one, if you guys can see, you can set up your favorites in the bottom. There's a lot of great things you can do with this live TV, vlog, and YouTube monitor. You can even set up Facebook, Instagram, and so forth, and play your favorite music. Also, you could go Spotify, Pandora, all those applications. The same application you could do on Android, you can do it on the Slingbox one. Overall, the system very intuitive with the control. I was able to control the volume, rewind, and so forth. I mean, the whole system itself, out of the box, it started working immediately. Now, there's a lot more functions you can do. You could do all sorts of things on this box. I'm not just capable of showing you guys how to do this stuff. I'm just showing you the actual product, which you can get. It lights up. 5 volts, that's all it takes. You need RJ to get the best quality and the best connection. You do need connected directly, or you could do it wirelessly. This could be behind any TV, or it could be on top of any projector. So very simple out of the box. I hope you guys enjoy this video.